Hi, my name is Thomas. I'm with EP North America. I recently had an opportunity of overseeing the demo of the first EP equipment high voltage truck in the USA, the EFL 753 HV last month. The feedback from the customer was overwhelmingly positive. Here are a few of their comments. The fingertip controls were very easy to use and very sensitive. They felt the chassis was firmly built and offered great stability. The turning radius was very impressive for a large machine. It offered great maneuverability with compact chassis. The cabin was very quiet and had excellent noise reduction, making a really enjoyable operating environment. Last but definitely not least, the battery life was very impressive to them. They had 75% left after 8 hours of use. Needless to say, this was a great kickstart to the high voltage heavy-duty lithium-ion forklifts in the United States. We have a tremendous amount of dealer and customer interest in these high-voltage trucks, so we are absolutely thrilled to continue to demo these trucks and eventually launch them in the United States. High-voltage electrification is the future for heavy-duty trucks in America.